Chicka chicka boom boom, chicka chicka boom boom, chicka chicka boom 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 boom. Today I'm at Alana's house and I'm gonna do this big sneeze plank. If you don't know what it is, you get a spray bottle with water or anything you want in it. You go like achoo, and you spray on the neck or anywhere that they can't see the spray bottle. Let's go. Okay, we need a test out. Like we're in the bathroom. We made gummy worms, and so she's peeling them off, and I said I'm gonna go do something real quick. I was eating Takis and candy cigarettes, and now my stomach is like, oh, I gotta take a number 2. Okay, this is gonna be a spray bottle, but I don't want it to be like 2. Let's watch. You guys can't even see it. Let's go.
It might not be the perfect shape, but...
Achoo! Ew! It's water. I know. Taking a video. Say hi to the viewers. Stop it.
Are you supposed to do that?
Look at my nose. Are you surprised? Were you like scared?
No, I knew it was water.
Yeah, I saw it. Should I do it to your mom?
No, she has her computer. She can't get the computer right.
This is really hard.
Yeah, I can do this on her head. With like, I could get some more.
No, her hair straightened.
No, I could just do this. Like with a few things of water. Doing it for Lana's bottle. Ooh. I'll do it later. So how's the jelly turning out?
Good, but don't touch it. Okay, so guys, we made gummy worms, but these few are just from the outside of the rim. So the rest will be gummy worms, real actual gummy worms. But they might not be the best ones.
I
But
need a couple of this one, like do it into like tiny shapes. Okay, I need to go to the best
all right.
because of the Takis and the candy cigarettes. They're having a fight. Smell that? Let's go. Okay guys, I don't know if you saw, but you guys, I don't know if you guys saw, but she reacted as she went like, ew, like this, ew. So it worked out for her. We're gonna do it with the mom. Like just a tiny bit of water, not like the whole thing. Just like a tiny bit in your things and just go like that. And when she has her computer off. So, gotta go guys. I'm having a fight in my stomach. Gotta go. Bye. Wait, this has been the Cookie Monster team. Peace out. Bye.